This issue brings a strange series of knives. Look at those crazy knife designs. First up was Kennametal's FBX drill. As soon as this look comes out, the aura is directly filled. The knife body line is tough and domineering. Large diameter size. The king of the knife industry is everywhere. It's weird. It clearly contains more blades than a shoulder mill. But they call themselves the drill echelon, to know that in the processing of aerospace structural parts, it is necessary to remove 2/3 of the rough material at every turn. The FBX bit is designed for maximum metal removal, especially difficult to machine materials, such as the flat-bottom design of titanium alloy and high-strength stainless steel drill bits. Eliminates radial image cutting forces. Machines with insufficient rigidity can also be used. In addition, it violently drills holes without picking working conditions. Drill holes on slopes up to 60 degrees. No problem. In terms of processing efficiency, using a 60mm FEX drill, machining triangular guns, notice that it has 3 holes on top of each other. This is no longer a regular row of holes. It's a typical plug mill. You call yourself a drill. Next up, it's the smallest interchangeable drill in the world. A detachable drill bit with a diameter of only 4mm. Teklo knives from Japan. This replaceable drill bit. The core advantage is strong performance. Long life. Especially suitable for processing sites with high requirements for efficiency and stability. The knife head does not need to be reground. No coating wear. You can always maintain a stable processing quality. One knife body can fit 5 sizes. This is state-of-the-art toolmaking. The future of this efficient and low-cost replaceable tool. In the field of batch processing, gradually replace the traditional integrated drill bit. Become a better choice. Then came the weirdest knife of the issue. Still from the Tekla family Indexable Drill Dill Big Series. This is no ordinary large, indexable drill. The designer must have been poisoned by cutting fluid to design this structure. Its blade is mounted on the knife body. Reinstall the blade on the blade. Where are you putting this baby? Back to this knife. Its biggest advantage is still saving money. After the traditional excellent diamond blade is broken, it is also easy to crush the knife head. As a result, the entire knife handle is directly scrapped. And this tool uses a dual-mode fast design. Only these 2 lower-cost components need to be replaced. And the expensive main knife rod came out unscathed. Can keep working. At the same time, its drilling diameter is adjustable. By installing different side gaskets, the diameter can be adjusted like a boring tool. Save on tool costs. It's a brilliant design. It came from 15 years ago. Don't forget its high efficiency. It can drill large holes with a diameter of 80 and a depth of 200. If it is no 55 steel material, you can do it in 2 minutes. Well, that's all for this issue. Guys, what weird knives have you used? Let's chat in the comment area.